At this point, you should be dominating social media in your local market for your business and getting tons of exposure for your business. And if you're not, it's because you're not using the right tool. In this video, I'm going to break down for you, simple and easy, a brand new tool that's an AI tool that's going to allow you to generate awesome social media content quick and easy that you can post across multiple platforms. And be sure to stick around to the end, because the last thing I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind about how to make it even easier. Links in the description below if you want to jump ahead of me and check out the tool as we're talking. But first, why is this so important? Because social media creates exposure for your business. And as you post quality content that's in your niche, which means the exact thing you serve, it draws people to you because they're like, oh, hey, I want to learn about that. I want to follow that person or that business because they always talk about it and they always give me really good advice. And then what happens? After that, they start saying that's the expert. So if I need to hire someone for that, that's the business I'm going to hire. That's why social media works. That's what social media marketing is in a nutshell. But until now, it's been really, really time consuming to create that content because you've got a business to run. How are you going to sit down and paint yourself as the expert in one social media platform, let alone a whole bunch? Well, now I'm going to show you what to do to make your life a lot easier and faster. And so you can dominate social media and get all the exposure and get all the customers and all the leads. Let's go. Hey, look, you're watching YouTube and you're watching YouTube on YouTube. Wow, that's mind blowing. Anyway, speaking of mind blowing, here's mind blowing cleaning tips from Professional Housekeeper. I'm pretending that this is a house cleaning business. Pretend you own a house cleaning business. And now we're going to generate some awesome content for you. You log in, you plug it in here, you pop it in and say, this YouTube video, please make this into an Instagram post for me. And voila, you have a whole script. Now, what are you going to do with this? You're going to post an image. I'll talk about that soon, how to make that super fast and easy. You're going to post an image and then you're going to post a whole description below your Instagram post and boom, you're going. Better yet, you're going to read this as a video and make it into an Instagram reel or short or anything like that and use this as your script. Hold your phone up and read it, right? Perfect. And now you've got a video. Also, you can do a video post. Read it as a video and then post the description below it. Boom. In 2 seconds, now you just have an awesome Instagram post that took you like that. And it took tips that were already awesome and turned it into a new format and just linked to this video at the bottom. Hey, why not give them some credit too? Now check out this thing. You want to grow on Twitter/X and be an X expert on housekeeping? Awesome. Take the same video, post it in there, say generate a Twitter thread. And now you have a whole Twitter thread. You can break that up to a thread or have it in a long post with 10 cleaning tips right from that video. And then, hey, guess what? Link to the video. You're bringing value. Break down the tips for them. Say, I broke down all the tips from this awesome YouTube video. Check them out. And then you give them credit and you get credit and you look like an expert, right? And then you have them follow you. And guess what? If you don't like the voice of the thread, tool's super easy. Just go over here and be like, add emojis or change the personality. I like to talk in a different mode on X. Awesome. You can just change that right up right there. And finally, go right over here and be like, hey, I want this on Facebook too. That's where a whole bunch of my potential customers are. Turn this into a Facebook post for me and then do the same thing. Edit it if you want, or just copy and paste it over. Copy the link to the YouTube video because that's going to take up more space anyway, which is going to be nice on Facebook and capture people's attention. It would literally take you 10 minutes to post this awesome content across 3 different social media platforms and generate it in 2 seconds using Keegan AI. And you could do this multiple times a day, multiple times a week, and just generate a whole bunch of content and be the expert on all these platforms, just leveraging and curating content from YouTube to do it. It's amazing. Here's the tip I promised you. Now you're going to need an image probably to go with all these. So do you really want to go to Canva and go create an image and a custom image and do all that? Or do you just want to go to ChatGPT and say, I need an image to go with my social media posts and have it generate a nice, beautiful housekeeping image for you? I would do the latter. You can do whatever you want. If you like this video, click on the subscribe and like for more great content that's going to be geared to helping you grow your business and, hey, look like quite the social media expert along the way. Thanks so much for joining me. Click on the link below to try Keegan AI for free. And I'll catch you in the next video where I keep telling you how to use AI tools and local search to grow your business. See you there.